Alright, to start off this cut, my client does want the top all gone, so I'll be using a number 8 guard, lever closed against the grain. Next, I'm gonna get my 3 guard closed. Now you don't need to do this, but I usually do it just to put in a line where my fade should come to a stop. But you don't need to do this, you can go ahead and skip to the next step. Now his hair is kind of difficult to tell, so I zoom in for y'all just to see where you need to stop at. Now we go ahead and set in our bald line. Alright, next we're going to use your box shape. Remember not to go up too high to that first guideline. Now setting your next guideline with your lever all the way open, going up 1/2 inch to 1 inch up. Now to take out that line, we're going to use the lever all the way closed. And remember, as you go up, open up that lever. Now here I do come back in with my edgers and take out any last line that's still left. Alright, this is a close-up showing pretty much how to fade. Now remember, on some of these parts, I am using just the corner of the blade. Like about right now, I'm going to be using the left side of my blade. You don't always have to use the full blade in order to fade. Next, go ahead and grab your 1 guard all the way open, go up about another inch. Alright, y'all, so I did mess up and not record that last clip, but it pretty much is just my 1.5 guard all the way closed and then open it as you go up. Now I'm gonna go with my 2 guard all the way open to set up my next guideline, which is pretty much my last guideline. Now to fade out that line, you're gonna use your 1.5 guard all the way closed, and as you go up, open up your lever. If that line wasn't coming out, you can go ahead and put back on your 1 guard all the way open with your corner and flick out that line. Now, I'm not done with the fade just yet, but I do set in the C cup to help me know pretty much where I am in the cut. Alright, I did do some detail work on the sides, but now we're skipping over to the lineup. Now, he did want it as natural as possible because he does have a little swirly thing in the middle, and he does have some really thin hair. So we try to go as natural as possible, and then we hit it with some enhancements. Alright, YouTube, that is the cut. Hope y'all liked it. Please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one.